Hi friends, welcome back to Five Below. Cloud bento box, and they are $5. How cute are these? Have it in different colors. Also have this silicone food containers. Get a set of 2, and they are heavy. Yes. We have them in another color as well. We have this one. This is a glass food container. We also have it in the black. It's the noodle bowl. Cute, cute. Another bento box with removable ice pack. Okay. Okay. On the go food container. This is $3.25. Lunch bowl for $4. All of these beautiful patterns. 6-piece breakfast plate set. That is so cute. Woven paper storage bin in this pretty green, natural, white, and black. And soap dispensers, $5. Mushroom heart sponge, dish sponge, set of 2. It's the mushroom and heart dish sponge, a set of 2. We also have this one, the flower and the cloud. Scrub attachers, these are $5. They also have the power scrubber. Liquid soap dispenser. Okay, with the sponge. You have it in a couple of different colors. And how cute are these toilet brushes? Oh my goodness, I think the cherry is the prettiest one. Cherry, the cactus, the strawberry. I take it back, it's the strawberry for me. And the heart in purple. Cans, $5. Alrighty, this is a 3-compartment multi-purpose organizer, $5.55. 4-piece flavored dental floss set, as well as the 3-pack oral care set. More body scrub, it is only $3.50. This one is the Magic Spell, vanilla sugar, sweet pea, power strip. That's nice. Have it in blue. They also have the multi-port charging hubs in different colors. Wireless optical mouse. We also have the puffer laptop case for $5.55. Nice. Clean sweep dirt and dust sweeper, $5. We also have it in the pink. Pen holder, $5. Non-slip rubber desk mat. Nice. They also have it in the solid colors. The fridge pen holder, we went over those last time, but they're just so cute. And the dinosaur electric pencil sharpener. Oh yeah. Alrighty, these portable desktop fans, they're only $5. It's in white, pink, and blue. 2-count printed pencil holder or pen holder for $5. These are really nice. That one. These click pens, they have multicolor click pen for $1, and they also have the light up pen for $3. Oversized closet storage. Nice. Cake LED wall light, lava lamp LED wall light, and a record player acrylic LED wall light. Nice. $5.55, guys. Not so bad. With a silicone body. That's really pretty. Feels good too. Okay, these are new. This one says Vibes. Let's have a yellow one that says extra. This one says slay. Okay. Hydro quench stainless steel tumbler, insulated tumbler. You have all these beautiful colors for $5.55. Always on the bright side. This one says dreamer. Yeah. They also have the smaller ones. So we have options, guys. All right, how cute is this light up silicone speaker of fries? This is just too cute. It says touch activated LED lights for $7. We have the happy speaker in pink and yellow for $7. Wireless speaker. Tempo wireless speaker. Singer LED wireless microphone speaker. Oh, even this one, the balloon doll, is a wireless speaker for 5 hours. Not bad. Karaoke LED wireless speaker here for $12. Color changing LED. Foldable massage pillow, always nice to have. Orbit wireless speaker. Okay, high quality sound, rechargeable battery. These are new, guys, the neck massager. They have it in different colors. Really nice. Hot cold mini massagers. Let's see if a price is on these. Okay. Portable blenders. We went over these the last time, and these are just so cute. I think they're $10, guys. And stackable shoe boxes, $15. Foldable storage box. You have them in different colors. 3-tier hanging basket. It's 49 inches tall. We also have the metal shoe rack and the 2-tier bamboo shoe rack. And I think all of these are $12 if I'm not mistaken, or $15. Okay, this one is new. The Hex wireless wall speaker. Oh, that is nice. True timeless stereo compatible. Okay. We went over these chairs on the last visit. I think these are $25. This desk chair. Nice. And the purse speaker is $25. These are cute, guys. The pop-up hooks. Nice. They also have the over-the-door hooks, a set of 3. More of the pop-up hooks. And this is the over-the-door hanging rack in blue, black, and pink. These storage caddies. They had it in white as well, but I only see blue and pink. This is a floating wall shelf, $5.55. Well, how cute is this? It's a clear wireless handset for $10. Connects to your phone. That is so cute. Alright, friends, over here in the beauty section, we have this vibrating cleansing brush. Really nice for $5. This is a electric blackhead extractor. This is a 3D face and body massage roller. Ice cooling face stick. This is cucumber. This one is the glacier water. Moon shaped ice globes. Cools and refreshes. And this is a sculpting ice roller. It's for the face. Cools down the skin. And this is a crystal shower head. It is $5. Removes excess impurities. Okay. This is a 2-pack of Plump and Pout Hydrogel Lip Mask in Pink Lemonade. This one is a Lights On Vitamin C Day Cream, Moisturizer Glow, and Lavender Haze Lemonade. This is no extra baggage under eye mask in lemon drop. A quick wake me up, coffee scrub mud mask, coconut cold brew. Here's a closer look on this power scrubber with the detachable brush head. I don't see the price over here either. But yes, guys, it says replaceable brush head, time-saving cleaning, requires 4 AA batteries, easily clean dishes, bathtub, floors, and more. Almond Hammer, Odor Buster, Odor Eliminator, and Lasting Freshening. Attachment set of 3 for $5 for that cleaning brush. 5-piece set of makeup brushes and sponge set, vegan friendly. And this is LA Colors All In Bright Gem Pickup Tool, French Tip Manicure, a set of 8 for $5. This is Smoke and Mirrors 5-piece multi-oil infused lip oil, $5. Nice. Wet n Wild waterproof, cry-proof, humidity-proof, and smudge-proof, up to 16 hours in their products. Okay. 3-piece cuticle oil collection, $5. This is a 3-piece mascara set. One is lengthening mascara, one is for volumizing mascara, and one is the coconut conditioning mascara. Okay, not a bad deal for $5. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at Five Below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so very much for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.